The Space Shuttle System 9 MPU came in non-booting or booting erratically. As you can see, somebody's worked on this one quite a bit in the past. I really don't like getting boards like this. Every chip except the 1408 up here on this board is socketed, and all that does is provide a vastly increased number of possible failure points. But what I found out on this board was that one of the bus drivers was dead here. It was an LS245, and the socket for this CPU, the 6808, was the original craptastic socket, so I changed that out. I may change out some more sockets and headers to make it a little more reliable. But let's boot it up. I have my Siegecraft System 9 simulator here, and you can see it's booted up and oscillating between the last high score to date and the last game. And the lamp matrix is operating properly. And the only coil that's on right now is the coin lockout coil. So let's put it into test. Auto up, so you can see the display is operating properly. The next test is sound test. Brace yourself. So that was the end of sound testing, and the customer here had purchased a Cohout daughter card for this, and you can see how thick this thing is. Really nice PCB. It's twice as thick as the normal PCB. So the test that we're in now is lamp test. You can see all those are operating properly. And the next test will be coil test. And it will walk through each of the top 16 LEDs. And that shows that all of those regular coils are operating properly. I'm going to get a ground wire, and I'm going to rake this connector here just like this. And you'll see that the special solenoid circuits will fire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are all operating properly. The next test is switch test. And there's only 49 switches used on Space Shuttle. I'm going to go down all of column 1, and then I'll go across all of row 1. 49, that's the last switch used. So you can try to press some higher ones, but that's just the way the game software was developed. And now we're into audits and adjustments, and I'll just cycle through those. And the game has rebooted. And everything's operating properly here again. Again, only the coin lockout circuit is live. And I thank the individual for sending this to me. You can see I checked all these PIAs with my tester. Always good policy to do that. Also put an NVRAM in here. Also replace the power header where power comes in. And these power input filters for the 5, 12, and minus 12 filter capacitors. I'm sorry, I called those the wrong thing. It's good to go. Thank you so much for sending it.